Imagine waking up one morning to a universe that has quietly changed its destiny. For billions of years, space has been stretching outward, carrying galaxies farther apart like dots on an inflating balloon. But suddenly, without warning, the expansion slows, stops, and then reverses. The vast cosmic ocean begins to flow inward. Galaxies that once raced away from each other now turn around and begin a slow, silent journey back toward a shared fate. The universe, once growing, has decided to come home. At first, nothing would seem unusual to human eyes. The reversal would begin on a scale far beyond our daily experience. But astronomers, watching distant galaxies, would notice something astonishing: the redshift of light would begin to fade. The universe would no longer be stretching light into longer wavelengths. Instead, distant galaxies would slowly shift toward blue, signaling that cosmic expansion had turned into cosmic contraction. The discovery would shake science to its core, rewriting everything we thought we knew about dark energy and the future of existence. As the contraction continued over millions of years, galaxies would begin to drift closer together. The vast empty spaces between clusters would slowly shrink. Collisions that once seemed unlikely would become inevitable. Galactic mergers would light up the cosmos with bursts of new stars, powerful radiation, and gravitational chaos. The night sky from Earth would gradually grow brighter and more crowded, transforming from a quiet darkness into a glowing tapestry of approaching cosmic neighbors. Over even longer timescales, the structure of the universe would begin to tighten like a slowly closing fist. Gravity, once balanced against expansion, would become the dominant force everywhere. Galaxy clusters would merge into massive superstructures, and the cosmic web itself would begin to collapse inward. The universe would grow hotter and denser as matter concentrated into smaller volumes, reversing the cooling trend that has been shaping cosmic history since the Big Bang. For any civilizations still alive in this distant future, the sky would become both beautiful and terrifying. Stars would appear more numerous as galaxies moved closer. Cosmic radiation levels would increase. The once stable orbits of galaxies could shift, potentially disturbing the delicate gravitational balance of solar systems. Over unimaginable stretches of time, the growing density of the universe would begin to affect even local environments, increasing the chances of stellar encounters and cosmic disruptions. As contraction accelerated, the temperature of the universe would begin to rise. Background radiation, once faint and cold, would grow stronger. The cosmic microwave background would shift toward higher energy, warming space itself. The universe would no longer be drifting toward a cold, dark ending. Instead, it would be moving toward a hotter, brighter, and far more violent destiny, one where energy becomes increasingly concentrated as space shrinks. Eventually, the inward pull would bring galaxies so close together that large-scale structures would dissolve into chaos. Stars would collide more frequently, black holes would merge into colossal giants, and radiation would flood the cosmos. The universe would transform into an increasingly energetic environment where matter and energy interact more intensely than ever before. The calm, spacious universe we know today would become a crowded and turbulent cosmic furnace. If the contraction continued all the way to its ultimate conclusion, everything would be drawn together into a final state often imagined as the Big Crunch. Space itself would shrink toward a point of extreme density and temperature, potentially mirroring the conditions of the universe's birth. In this final phase, the laws of physics as we understand them might break down. Time, space, and matter could behave in ways beyond human imagination, as the entire cosmos collapses toward a singular destiny. And yet, the most fascinating possibility lies beyond the end. Some theories suggest that a collapsing universe might not be the final chapter at all. The Big Crunch could trigger a new Big Bang, creating another